Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix drag and drop networking in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, you need to type changed user account. The moment you've typed it, the best match which is change user account control settings will appear. Double tap to continue. The moment you've opened it, this window will appear. Here you need to make sure that the default option is this, which is in the second, notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer default. So this is recommended if you use familiar apps and visit familiar websites. Click on OK. That your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes to make any changes. Okay? So after that, let's move on to our next step, which is at the bottom search bar again. You need to type PowerShell. The moment you've typed it, this best match, which is Windows PowerShell, would appear. Go with Run as administrator. When your user account control will ask you to say yes, just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open your Windows PowerShell as administrator. Here you need to input a command which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So which is this. Control C and then Control V and then click enter. So this process would take some time. Just have to wait and don't close this Windows PowerShell and don't turn off your computer as well. Wait until the process will be finished. So this will take some time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes or more than that. Just have to put a lot of patience with this and it will fix your problem. Okay. And once you're done, let's say, just have to restart your computer. And the moment you've restarted your computer, your problem will be fixed. Okay? So the third method is here at the keyboard, you need to press Windows and R key. Again, it is Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type regedit. Again, it is regedit. Click OK. The moment you click on that, your account control will ask you again to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be redirected here in the registry editor window. Here you need to paste a registry path, which I'll be including in the description box below, so don't worry for that. So let us paste it here. Then click enter. The moment you click on that, you would be redirected easily to the system, which what we're looking for. Here you need to proceed to the center of your screen and look for enable LUA. Okay. Again, it is enable LUA. Do a right click, go with modify, and change the value data into 0. Then click on OK. Once done, simply close this window and I'm sure it will fix your problem. Okay? So here you need to restart your computer. It says here you must restart your computer to turn off the user account control. Have to restart your computer and it will fix your problem. Okay? So the last step that I could show you is at the bottom search bar again, type CMD to search for command prompt and go with run as administrator. Here your user ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open your command prompt as administrator. Here you need to input the command sfc or type the command which is sfc space / scan now. Again, this is sfc space / scan now. Press enter to continue, sorry. So this will do system scanning. It will take some time again, maybe 5 to 7 minutes or more than that. Just have to wait until the procedure or the process will be done. And again, don't close this command prompt window, okay? And don't turn off your computer as well. Unless if you're done, just have to restart your computer and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.